I'm sweating titties. It is so hot. Why is it so hot? Guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So, hi, I'm back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new box that I decided to go with. I am trying out this new subscription box. It's called the BAM Horror Box. Now, I have watched several of these here on YouTube and decided to go with BAM Box. I have never tried them before. So you guys will be seeing BAM Horror Boxes here on my channel. So this box was not sent to me or anything. I did buy this box with my very own money. So I'm really excited to unbox this and show you guys all of the amazing goodies inside. I did open it already because I'm just really impatient and it's a new box, so I was just excited about it, so I just had to rip it on open. Got the little cheat sheet, so I can use there's that. First thing in the box is this BAM Match 3 and Win a giveaway. It's like a scratch card thing, but I think I lost. Okay, first thing in this box is a fan art pin. From the videos I've seen of this BAM box, they always give a pin in the 2004 horror/thriller of the 13th Ghosts, and it is this dude. I forget his name, but I know where they first encounter this ghost and like capture him. So this is the pin that I got from the movie The 13th Ghosts. It's pretty sick. I forget the name of this ghost though. This is a replica from the 2005 film The Skeleton Key, which and apparently it can like open like any door. The key looks like it has like blood like on the key, which I really like. Open any door. So I'm gonna just put this on my keychain because I think it'd be kind of a cool little keychain for like start going around the apartment and maybe try opening some opening some doors. Next thing is a artist select card, and this is from the artist Jason Miller, and it is the Evil Dead card, which I think is pretty cool. Like, look at that. That's pretty sick. Zombies and everything. Look at the zombies. It's so funny. Sick. I mean, I scrapbook and everything for a hobby, like another hobby, so I'll probably just put this in like my little scrapbook. Next thing is a celebrity autograph. Now, I was excited to get this because I loved all of the Halloween movies, so I thought it was really neat to actually have like one of the characters from the movie, like have like one of their autographs and stuff. So the autograph that they got was J.C. Brandy from the 1995's Halloween, The Curse of Michael Myers, which I thought was pretty sick because I've seen all of the Halloween movies. I've even seen the Halloween movies with Danielle Harris in them, and every time I mention Danielle Harris, like nobody knows who she is, and it's like, what do you mean? You don't know who Danielle Harris is? Like, she's played in like the original classic Halloween movies. Like, come on. Her is sick. It was sick also because Michael's hands are like right there, and then at the side of the picture his face is there, so I mean, come on, I got his hands and I got his face. So that's just the picture that I got. Actually just seen this movie a couple days ago, way before I even knew it was going to be in my box. If you guys don't know what movie I'm talking about, it is the new Midsummer movie that just came out, and you guys have to watch it. Like, if you're bored, you don't have anything to watch Midsummer. It is so messed up movie where it's just like awkward, and I feel so bad for that girl, and just I'd kill both of them, just saying, if you know what part I'm talking about. Here's a little print to the Midsummer. I remember this part in the movie. A little autograph there by the actor that plays in this movie. So it's a pretty cool picture. I mean, I don't think like I'll hang this up, but I think I'll put it in my scrapbook because I think it's such a unique picture, and I actually really did like this movie. So everything that I got in this horror box. Anyways, guys, I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I'm sweating titties. I'm just Ugh, I'm just a big sweat ball. Anyways, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.